Hey there, welcome back. We are in Sutter's Creek, and we're going to wander around in this town. We're here to see Knight's Foundry, which is a historic foundry, and that's going to be in another video. But in the meantime, we're going to wander around this downtown and check it out because it's a cool little town here in Gold Country of California, off of 49, Highway 49. It's named after the 49ers. So anyway, stay with us. Thanks. So as you can see, it's kind of an old western looking town. And it's got all kinds of shops here. Antique shops. That's got, there's Sutter's Creek Inn, which looks pretty cool. So this is downtown. There's more to this town than just downtown, so. Another antique shop. Looks like a Christmas shop. That looks like another olive oil. Over there. Look at the ghost advertising on the side of the building. Little plaza with a bunch of shops in it. That looks like an old building. Big old shutters, steel doors. Native Sons Hall. Oh, I gotta go across the road so we can see this one. That's pretty cool. This one over here with the steel doors. General store. 1858. Another vintage shop. Main Street Mercantile over there. Oh, look at the old theater. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this would be a fun little town to go explore in. Bookstore, wine tasting. But there's stairs and stuff, so it's not going to be wheelchair friendly. Looks like they do live music here. It's pretty cool. Hotel Sutter over there. Here we have a pub.
Wow. I guess there's nothing they can do about that because it's illegal.
Eureka Street shops down there. And down there, can you see that rusty roof? That's the foundry we're going to be going to in a little bit. Masonic and Odd Fellows, 1865. That building there. Gotta cross the streets back and forth so we can get the old architecture, the buildings. So that looks like a coffee shop. This looks like a clothes shop. Blonde Desperado. I wonder, oh, that's the clothes shop. Another clothes shop. And this one's getting fixed up. Sparkling wine bar. And a home furnishings or decorator shop. There's an antique store down there. There's a Creekside, Sutter's Creek cheese shop. Outdoor shop. Yeah, neat architecture. You can tell this has been here a while. Old brick building. Here's an auditorium. Oh, here's the creek. This is cool. These buildings are old. So here we're here in January and it's about 50 degrees. Veterans Memorial Hall, 1926. Sutter's Creek Cheese Shop here. Outdoor shop. Oh, look at this. Old, looks like some kind of generator. Let's see what the sign says. Hydraulic power in Amador County. Look at that. They got that lifted up so you can see the cups that the water turned. So they do have public restrooms over there, so that's good. Go down here, the crosswalk and crossover. And get the other side of the creek. Nice old church. And here's the other creek with, look at bridges crossing. Look at this little building here, just hanging off from the wall down there. Here's a nice mural. You can see that we are there. And that's Main Street. Miners Bend Park. And here's all Main Street. There's a nice foundry. So, plus I see something else that'll pretty much do it from here in Sutter's Creek. And look for my video on Knight's Foundry. We arranged to have a private tour of the facility over there, so we'll see what that's like. And anyway, if I can get you to just like and subscribe, that would be wonderful, and leave any comments you might want to leave too. It feeds the algorithm. All right, I appreciate it. And again, thanks for watching. All right, so I'm gonna add this to the walk around Sutter's Creek video, but we were told about this place after we did the tour of Knight's Foundry, and he encouraged us to come look at this because this is an example of a stamp mill that stamped the ore into powder, and then it would go to the mercury tables for the gold and silver to be extracted. And there's a machine that would pick up the rock, flip it over the top, and put it in that hopper there. The rest of the stuff, I don't really know what it is, but it's kind of interesting. A 5-stage high pressure water pump. All right, this is kind of cool. This is where we're stopping at. It's up the road from downtown. Downtown's way down there. I don't know, maybe quarter mile. You can walk up here, or you can just drive, and there's plenty of parking here. So, and I think this is like overflow parking for downtown. And here's some examples of early photography, or early photographs of Sutter's Creek history. Here's an example of a drill. Compressed air rock drill. And other assorted equipment. So yeah, there you go. Miners Bend Park. That looks like a little steam engine over there. So anyway, again, from Sutter's Creek, thanks for watching, and there's other things to do here, so we're gonna have to come back sometime because there's a gold mine you can go into, and there's also a steam-powered sawmill that they have here. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.